have chosen this auspicious occasion of our founder chairperson, late Sardar Jodh Singh Ji's 101st birth anniversary, to declare the names of the students who all excelled in different subjects for the academic session of 2019-20. The winners of both inter-school art competition and academic proficiency awards will be ceremoniously handed over their prizes as soon as schools reopen. Cheers to the toddlers of grade nursery: Mritsa Mukherjee, Saurav Das, Shashwata Khanra, Kashyap Tudu, Shubhajit Ghosh, Bhumi Mandal, who excelled in subjects Maths, English and EVS. We congratulate Abhishikta Ghosh, Rodri Pramanik, Bhavi Patel, Mehuli Vishwas, Spandan Adhikari for being academically proficient in subjects Maths, English and EVS from grade LKG. We extend our best wishes to the students. Adrija Sur, Arghadev Biswas, Aritra Bera from UKG have excelled in Maths, English and EVS. We wish all of the students a bag full of success. Make the motto of your life to never settle for anything but the best. Our teachers are continuously mentoring the students in dance, yoga, music, for their holistic development. We have our counselor and special educator to look after the emotional well-being of the students and to keep positivity afloat. Our dedicated teachers also design individualized educational plans for the students who need remediation.
Now we move on to grade 1. Students who have got academic proficiency in the subjects Language 1, Language 2, Mathematics, EVS, Computer, GK and Value Education are Shomojit Sinha and Shohan Nondi. We wish them all the best for the future. Pritam Boiraggo has been awarded with the Academic Proficiency Certificate in First Language, Second Language, Mathematics and GK. We congratulate Shomudra Goswami for bagging the Academic Proficiency Certificate in Language 1 and Mathematics. Sharanya Chattopadhyay has achieved the academic proficiency in the subjects Language 1 and Language 2. We heartily congratulate Debayan Bhomik, Shomlata Mukherjee and Arya Mojumdar from grade 2 for achieving academic proficiency awards in the subjects English, Second Language, Mathematics and EVS. Arya Mojumdar has also achieved the 100% attendance award. We wish that the students will keep up their good work in the coming years. We give our best wishes to the students of grade 3 who have obtained their academic proficiencies in different subjects. Abir Dash has achieved proficiency in mathematics. Riju Ghosh has achieved proficiency in mathematics, science, SST, English and second language. Priyangan Dash has achieved proficiency in mathematics and science. Anindo Ghosh has achieved proficiency in second language.
We congratulate Afia Yasmin from class 4 for obtaining academic proficiency in the subjects Mathematics, Science and Social Science. Way to go, Afia! We are glad to announce that Abhirup Khan from grade 5 excelled in subjects Mathematics, Science and Social Science. Shananda Roy gained academic proficiency in Science. Who you are tomorrow begins with what you do today. So keep up the good work, students.
It is rightly quoted, "The secret to getting ahead is getting started. We extend our heartiest congratulations to Romit Sen from grade 6 for obtaining proficiency in subjects science, mathematics, third language and EVS. Every achievement is servitude. It compels us to higher achievement. So, all the best for your future. Lastly, we congratulate Shayantan Bhomik from grade 7 for obtaining Academic Proficiency Award in Science.
We take immense pleasure to announce the winners of both Inter-School Art Competition and Academic Proficiency Awards will be ceremoniously handed over their prizes as soon as schools reopen. We have also organized a Spring Fest Talent Hunt contest to mark the birth anniversary of our Honorable Founder Chairman, late Sardar Jodh Singh Ji. We'll be sharing the date and the details very soon. Thank you everyone.